What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the new stuff we're trying out. Let me know if you like this. If it was good entry. We're waiting for everybody so everybody can arrive. You don't start watching the show like 30 minutes later and whatnot. Welcome, 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 everybody. You gotta outsmart retail. That's what we are all about here. But you already know this if you're a subscriber. And if you are not a subscriber, what you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, because we bring you the best crypto alpha every single day. We're gonna look at daily news, market analysis. I'm gonna look at Bitcoin, the total market cap, Ethereum, Solana, everything that you want to know. And then we're going to do Q&As. As always, you can come, interact, chat. I'm going to come, if, as Donald Trump would say. And then we're going to do some token requests. You see it up here. And it's going to be about you asking me what tokens you want me to look at. All the shit coins that you are long in, you're down on, or you are in profit and you want to take profit. So it's a big show. Let's go. The only thing I'm asking you, as always, please like the show. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. I'm not going to sit here and wait and just look at you like this for the camera for long seconds. But I want you to like this show, guys. Let's jump into it. Number one. We're waiting for this ETH ETF for years now. It is finally here. It is happening. It is happening. I feel the... Do you feel the vibe in your butt cheeks? Do you feel the vibe in your butt cheeks, cuz? You feel it? Like, the ETH ETF is here. But everybody, rest assured, cuz's butt cheeks are tingling. So, ETH ETF is around the corner. Anyway... VanEck just filed 8A form for Spot ETH ETF. There is a mistake here, Eric. Form for Spot ETH ETF, Eric. Anyway, which is just part of the process, but should be noted that they filed their 8A for Spot Bitcoin ETF, Eric. Exactly 7 days before the launch. So 7 days before the launch for Bitcoin, VanEck filed this form, which is just formality, but they filed it 7 days before the Bitcoin ETF approval. So this is quite bullish. We do know that they should come by the July 2nd, July 4th, around that time. So it's a super exciting time, something to look for. Yeah, I'm very excited about to see this. Now, whether the ETH ETF inflows will disappoint or not, that's yet to be seen. But what we can see from several sources actually is that the inflows will be about 10 to 15 billion in the first year and a half. As you see here from Bitwise CIO, Matt Hogan, he says that it predicts that Spot Ethereum ETF will have 15 billion in net inflows within 18 months of their US launch, despite lacking a stake feature and the influence of carry trades. So basically, Hogan bases his forecast on comparison to Bitcoin ETF, which reached 15 billion in inflows in 5 months. Now, here's the difference. And I think it is actually an interesting difference. A lot of people understand Bitcoin, like Bitcoin digital gold. Not a lot of people will understand Ethereum. I think it will really come down on the communication. You have to educate the customer, and educating a customer is also, number one, very expensive, but also very difficult, because the customer have to understand what Ethereum does before they will invest. Especially if we talk about TradeFi and these rigid guys, you know, just like, not even rigid guys. I didn't want to say they just split out, but no, but these very rigid. That's what I wanted to say. Like these, you know, just like TradeFi, I invest for 3% a year, kind of guys. They need to understand this is what it is. Okay, so that's just what's up. Justin, Congressman Matt Gaetz introduces bill that would allow federal income tax to be paid in Bitcoin. What a freaking legend, an absolute legend. Federal income tax to be paid in a Bitcoin. That would be such a huge thing. It would be pretty interesting. Now, Kaspa, I'm coming to you with the show this week on Banter on 𝗕𝗅. 𝗕𝗅 is launching. The whole thing is launching on June 13th, this Sunday, just on the day when my show is dropping. But the whole idea here is that you will be, so there is 𝗕𝗅 that does nothing basically, and I know 𝗕𝗅 community, I love 𝗕𝗅, I'm invested in 𝗕𝗅, whatever, but it's a layered one, basically like a digital gold kind of thing, like Bitcoin. But now what they're doing, as Bitcoin introduced ordinals and inscriptions and whatnot, 𝗕𝗅 is introducing KRC20s, which will enable the 𝗕𝗅 community and anybody else to create smart contracts on 𝗕𝗅, which is quite big, actually, quite interesting. We yet to see how it will work. It's kind of like a beta thing, but it is an absolutely insane development in 𝗕𝗅. As you see, oh, by the way, they have this 𝗕𝗅plex. So what is 𝗕𝗅plex? We looked into it. 𝗕𝗅plex basically function as the fundamental infrastructure for constructing versatile solutions on the 𝗕𝗅, enabling easy project launches with a 3-part system. So they basically enable KRC20s to operate on 𝗕𝗅. Gonna be pretty interesting. They will be able to launch stuff like meme coins, as you see, 𝗕𝗅 already getting there. But I'm gonna talk about all this on the Sunday video. Now, what is very, very big news, huge news, cause it's huge news, brother, is that we have actions and blinks on Solana, an ambitious new protocol in collaboration with Solana and developer stack by Dialect to share Solana everywhere, starting right here on crypto Twitter. Here's how this thing will work. What they basically allow you to do is you will be able to generate a link that could be send me money by, as you see here, that was the link. So they generate a link, and that will show up as an embedded-in, as an embedded-in website, basically. And you can use your Phantom wallet with a click of a button on Twitter. So how this would work, for example, that I don't have to share. For example, I want to share with you a token that I think is great. Or, everybody's like, getting scammed with all these contract addresses, and we have to copy paste the contract addresses every time we want to purchase a token. Now, you don't have to do that, because what you can do, I'm just moving my table here, look. Pretty cool. I actually found a chair today, guys, for all of you wondering. I did find a chair today. So what you can do with this is that you can just simply add a token saying, buy this token, and add it as a link. I can post that link on Twitter, and you can buy it with a click of a button, with a copy pasting contract addresses and whatnot. I can't even tell you how big this is. This is absolutely insane. And if you've been fading Solana, and if you're still the Ethereum maxi and like, Ethereum is the oldest one, and then, you're crying in a corner, let me tell you something. Solana, this is just a great post that is why Solana is mind-blowing. Solana is introducing blinks with Dialect. Absolute game changer, as I explained. I'm actually having a show on that as well. Colosseum announced a 60 million fund to support Solana. Basically, the VC, they support 60 million. They pledged $60 million to support Solana app builders. Actual adoption is happening. Jupiter fixing most key issues with on-chain trading. Sectum accelerating Solana, liquid staking tokens, liquid staking on Solana adoption. Solana is insane. So while Ethereum is struggling with gas fees for the past 1.5 years, Solana is just literally, this is the hardest working thing on the block. So if you're still fading Solana, and if you're still thinking, Ethereum is the king, think twice. I think that by the end of this cycle, Solana can be $1,000, which would be almost a 10x from here, 8x from here. And some tweeting about it, obviously. And some Solana's new Blinks feature X just became a crypto social app with 250 million daily users and in-app instant trading functionality of perps, altcoins, and NFTs. So obviously, it's much more than I just explained. You'll be able to do a lot more with it, with this Blinks thing on X, but not only on X. So they will be able to implement it on any platform where you're able to share a link. It's gonna be absolutely insane. Built-in stuff from websites, blogs, much more. So it's gonna be mind-blowing. Now, as always, we talk about bad news as well. Bad news for who? If you follow me on Twitter, and you actually should, and if you don't, then you see it here. And if it's still something difficult to remember, you can just go down in the description. There is a link in the description to my Twitter. I update you every single time when I make a trade or something like that. So it's definitely worth following there. I can't be here all the time, but I can be on Twitter all the time, regardless. So you want to do that. But I updated you on the trades that we took. Very successful trades. But there are some people who's turbo shorting Bitcoin here on Binance. Open interest of 5k BTC and Perbliska deepened by $20. $62 million shorts liquidated, which is actually not that much if you think about it. I mean, it's 62 million, yes, but it's not like 200, 300 million that we usually see. It's still substantial. It means that people are shorting the bottom, and I'm gonna talk about why that's not the best idea in a second. Metallica account has been hacked. Hacked. You know what I mean? Hacked. You know? Hacked. You know? Jesus. Metallica account has been hacked for 40 minutes. Oh my god. I really need to put this thread together. How to rug your community. Are you a retail celebrity? Here's how to rug your community. I'll actually write this thread up today. Anyway, with a crypto scam and safety still has it up. Be safe out there. So the idea here is that Metallica, you gotta know Metallica. If you don't know Metallica, you're too young to watch this show. Get ready for the takeover. Tap into Metal, a dynamic new token on the Solana blockchain poised to revolutionize how you experience events and shop online. The reason why I'm laughing is because this is just ridiculous. Like, I don't even know why did anybody buy this token. So they were saying that they partner with MoonPay, and then you can buy discounted tokens if you hold the discounted tickets if you hold the tokens. Obviously, it turns out to be a scam. Pump and dump. Who would have thought? Now, here's the interesting part, though. This token I was glad to see this actually, that it only went up to 3.3 million. If you look at the previous rugs, they went up. What is the Jason Derulo's token? Is this the one? Where is that? It's a 50 mil. It's sitting at 50 mil. That's just surprising, actually. He's pushing. He's like, together, we're gonna take 2 billion. Do you see that? So anyway, I'm gonna get into them. These shows are falling apart, to be honest. Like, recently we just winging it. But look at this.
I'm Jason, and I'm here with the Jason coin.
How are you compared to any type of other?
It's a new family, a new community.
So I think this concept is really
It just got out of bed, by the way. You see the PJs.
What are you looking for in getting a shark to invest today?
I can't do this alone, but together,
Check this.
we'll take this to $1 billion. Hey, what's up, sharks?
Oh my God, no, please, God, no. Anyway, this is the news of the day. Oh my God, yeah. So that's about the news for today. This is all you have to know for the past 24 hours, basically. Stuff is moving on the ETF front. We have Solana Devin, and we've got some crazy price action. I know you will see all the big trailers saying buy today, but that's not the thing you gotta do. I'll tell you why. I do think that we are coming in for a little bit of pullback, and if you are trading, you should wait for this pullback. Several scenarios that we're going to talk about, but I actually detailed it in my Twitter thread. I wrote my thoughts on the total market cap. We can look through this in a second as well. Why I do think we're going to have a little bit of pullback today, and why it might even be interesting to short, because we're not out of the woods yet. So for everybody to understand, we are not out of the woods, not even a bit. It looks good, but we still have a lot of things that we need to sort. So it's going to be a big show, big discussion. But before I do that, let's go and do some Q&A. Yeah! This is still here like a... I don't want to say what this is, but like... We need to put something here, cuz. We need to edit something. Like, we need to put something on the table. Like... Mirrored. Yeah! Then it would float here. Okay, so... Guys, let me know what is happening. Hope they aren't poor off their music career. Yeah, I think so. Any big updates? Yes. Here's the thing, guys. Very, very big update on Baked. I have to show this to you. I have to show it, and then we're gonna do this. But I have to show this to you. Look. So there's the big website. Okay, so I'm not gonna find it like this. I'm not gonna find it like this either. Why? It's not coming up. Let me just look this up here. So you have website. Oh, this should be much easier to find. Actually, I thought it was here. Website 𝗕𝗓𝗡𝗕. There should be like a. There should be baked website somewhere. Oh, this is actually bad. This is actually bad that we. Why does it not come up? I can't find baked. This is pretty weird. It's here, but why can't I not? Oh, because it's not verified. Is that what it is? We gotta sort this out, guys. Baked token. That's how you gotta find it. Baked token. But what I wanted to say, we have a completely new website, which is mind-blowing. Shout out to 𝗕𝗘𝗙. Shout out to 𝗕𝗘𝗙. Look at this. Let me just move out of the picture here. Look how freaking cool this website looks. So you can click on here. They have an about over there. Tokenomics. You've got the community, and you've got trade. So you click on there. Takes you where, obviously, Baked is not ready to trade yet. You've got tokenomics, gummy stakers 10%, future adders 10%, exchanges 10%, market makers 10%, liquidity pool 60%. Community. So anyway, we have this token launching. Look at this. Is the video up already? This is actually a video. I don't know why it's not up there. Anyway, so why this is interesting is because there is a link in the description of this show for Blowfin. And the reason why I say that is because you gotta go on there and sign up. It's a non-KYC exchange. It's available worldwide, including the United States, except New York. Anywhere else, it is available. And if you go and sign up with this link down here, what is this link doing here, cuz? Can I click on this? What is this? Oh yeah, cuz is getting a deduction today as well. Problem, bruv. That's a problem, bruv. Anyway, don't click on the YouTube link. Click on the. He's laughing. He thinks I'm joking because I didn't deduct anything from his salary. But this month, I'm gonna. If he earns $100, he's gonna earn only $50 this month. So, anyway, so if you click on this link, it will take you to Blowfin. By signing up to Blowfin, default you are getting the big airdrop. Okay, and the best part is we still haven't distributed and took the snapshot for the gummy airdrop. So by signing up to Blowfin, you're getting 2 airdrops, gummy and baked. Okay, you gotta sign up, deposit $100, and that's it. I would definitely do it. Maybe if you get $3, it's still worth it. It takes you 2 seconds, and you got $3. So I don't know how much you will earn with it. I honestly don't, but that's what I would do if I were you. Okay, let me look at the chat. When snapshot took her in wallet, if I told you, you could trick the system. So I'm not gonna tell you. And honestly, I don't actually know. Like Ren is like a safe. He keeps everything close to himself. He doesn't tell us anything. So I genuinely don't know. Got burned on 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗢, dropped 7K volume, 517th place, and only 350 gummy. I don't know what that is. Hello from Brazil. Smash the like, brothers. So Fefe won't fire me. Oh yeah, it's 100 club. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Deduction and salary, bruv. I don't have to fire him. He will quit himself. He will be like, fuck this. Smash the like, brother. Okay, not the biggest fan, but I like some of the perks they give on deposits. Honestly, I love Blowfin. I genuinely do love Blowfin. The only reason why I'm trading on Bitget right now is because that's what the competition is. But I love Blowfin. When you take Ren's place, and never take Ren's place, send me 100. Lucas, what the fuck is wrong with you, bruv? What do you think of Easy Algo? Great. Easy Algo is great. I could get Seth on the show. Easy Algo is a great thing. We have a link in the description. We have 3 days completely for free. You gotta try that as well. And it seems like I'm shilling shit here, but honestly, like, we don't have sponsors on the channel, and what I'm telling you, I really believe in it. So Easy Algo is actually pretty cool. You have a bunch of stuff in there. The only thing with Easy Algo is that you have to put in the effort. That's what I think. So you have a discount as well, but you have 3 days trial. If you try Easy Algo, it's a great indicator. I do have it. I don't really use it, and I will tell you why I don't use it, because I'm just so custom to my own system that I can't adapt. But for anybody starting to trade, I do think it's a great idea. Basic idea here, they have a lot of stuff. They have a Discord, they have weekly 3-4 seminars teaching you how to use this indicator. But what they do is basically value lines, you buy below the line and you sell above the line. That's the basic idea here. So for example, here you would have bought here, and when it dips, you would have bought here. This would have been a stop. You would have bought here. This would have, this would be the idea here. So you buy here, put your stop loss to the lows, right? And then you have another one. You would have bought here. You would have bought here. You would have gotten stopped out here. Then you would have bought here. You would have made it like this. Then you could have bought, like for example, it goes up. You would have bought here. You would have been stopped out here. No, because it didn't break a high. So this would have been like this, and you keep going. So that's the basic idea here. So they have a bunch of tools, a bunch of programs. I don't use it. And the reason why I don't use it is because my system just simply works, and I've been trading for years, and it's difficult to get to this level. But when you get to this level, it's just not worth using an indicator. But the indicator is very good. I know Seth personally. I think it's a great idea. And again, it's free. You have 3 days free trial. Try it, and if it works, go into the seminars, go into the Discord, ask questions. It's definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. Can you chart Brett, 𝗟𝗡𝗢, and AI Tech, please? Sure, we can do that. We will have that session coming soon. I wanted to show you something, by the way, until we just see this happening here. I'll load this in. I got this photo of talking about Brett. I want to show you. If I can find, or if I will be able to find it. Huge fun from Kenya. Kenya in the house. What's up? What's up? What's up, Kenya? If there's an indicator that actually works, surely everyone would be rich. Yeah. So actually, trading comes down not only to the indicator. You can have the indicator and you can still execute badly. You know. So it's actually about you and how you manage your own emotions. Really. So not necessarily. Everyone should always be wary of new exchanges, no matter how good a game they talk. Bluffin is not a new exchange. It's relatively new, but it's not. I remember Binance when they launched, and I was like, I'm not signing up to this shit and see what they are. Hey, but can you do TA on WIF? Yes. Fuck the thumbs down guy. Yes. Nice long you took the other day. Yes. Are we still going to get the airdrop for Bento Bubbles Farmer? Yes. 180 people, 81 like. WTF people. I actually committed not to swear. I will like... Since I don't know, yesterday. Any good longs right now? No, we're gonna wait a bit, but that's what we should talk about. Who owns CryptoBanter? The government. But don't tell anybody. Let's go. Guys, market analysis. We gotta talk about this. Oh my God. You know what? I'm not gonna continue. I'm gonna continue. These guys, we have 191 likes and what is it? 191 people watching and 90 likes. Thanks for prepping a glass for me. Appreciate it. Cause it's so much deduction, bruv. Put up a vote if we should deduct how much we should deduct of your salary. Let's put up a vote. Should we do? I'm gonna put up the vote. Guys, we need to have 120 likes. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Okay. So we're gonna no typing, bruv. So guys, we need 120 likes. That's I'm gonna be honest. Like I'm not gonna continue if we don't have 120 likes. So if you want this show, I will do that. Until then, I'm gonna say should we? And I'm gonna say deduct cause salary or raise causes salary. Start a poll. Let's go. I want you to vote, and you know what to vote for. So just so we're clear, deduct cause salary or raise causes salary. Raise. Pfft. Yeah, someone voted and they revoked their vote, bruv. Raise. What? Why the raise? You have to reason. He didn't get a glass for me. The camera wasn't turned on before the show. Like, why would he raise? Like, what's the justification? What his job is. He doesn't know what his job either. I mean, he knows, he just doesn't follow it. Okay, so we go, bro, I'm watching with PC and phone. What more can I do? Nice. Your FX. I don't know what this is, but I think you're... What does cause do? So cause is pretending to be the guy who's managing the stream in the back. Look how yellow I am. Like, look genuinely how yellow I am. Am I yellow? No. Yeah, but I do look yellow on me on the screen. So anyway, You're a legend. X-Men, you're a legend as well. You're a legend. Wait for bull market, then raise. Yes. Hearing he's laughing deserves raise. Help that man get some weed. You see? They know what's up. GM from South Florida. Sunsport Gardens. Nudist Resorts. Send us pictures, Steve. Look at Steve. Let me just zoom in on Steve's picture here. It's a nudist resort. Oh, Steve, send us pictures. Hard work behind the scenes. Yes, that's what's up. Give me the kiss. Cousin, early to the show. Love your alpha. Does your TA that you explained apply to charts like Euro, USD, Forex in general? Yes, sir. Send me cousin's Insta ID. Where are you from, Fefe? I'm from the world. LFGO, guys, like. We need 100. Oh, 125. Okay, we can proceed. Great. And actually, we have 10 more people than when I stopped. But maybe I should stop talking. That's when people start joining. Like, maybe I should be like, maybe they're like, fuck this. I'm not listening to the alpha. I just want silence. Okay, let's go. Guys, it's important. It's important. Focus. Let's go. So, here is my reasoning behind the tweet as well and behind the whole thing, okay? Look, if you look at this, I made a tweet here, and this is actually a pretty decent tweet. Like, you should really read this tweet. I said, the 4-hour structure has not been broken to the upside. That means we are still in a downtrend. The current pump seems to be just a retest of the premium zone, a 50% retrace. So what I was explaining here is that if you look at the total market cap and if you go into the 4-hour, how does this chart look to you? Because for me, it does look bearish, okay? So this chart does look like a bearish chart. Why do I say that? It's very simple, because we are making higher lows, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, this is what just the chart is doing. So technically, until we show a reaction, this is what we will be doing. Okay, now what is a reaction? It's a market structure shift, and if you have missed it, I had a complete show yesterday when I talked about what is a market structure shift, what is a market structure break, how you have to analyze different time frames. So go and check that out. But on the 4-hour structure, it is still just a retest to the 50%. So as you see in the picture, this is the 4-hour high, 2.32, and we came back to the 50% retrace, which means we retraced 50% on the dump right now to this 2.25-ish region. And if we see a lower time frame reaction here, meaning a bearish rejection, that can result in us continuing on the 4-hour time frame lower. So that means that we need to see a market structure shift, and we do see the market structure shift. So if you look here on the 15-minute and you zoom in, you see that this is a market structure shift. This here is a high. Again, I explained everything. Yes, it's so good that I explained it. We should include this. We should note this down. We should have everything I know about trading link in the video. Every video we should have that, and then so people can learn what a market structure shift is and all that. So we should have it on all shows. Anyway, so this here is a market structure break because it broke above it. It's not an impulsive one, but it's still a close above, so I'll consider this great. And then from there, we have a rejection, which is a V-shape rejection, if you look at this here. So that means that it is a strong indication that the supply up here is pretty heavy. Where is the supply? If you look at the 1-hour chart, you will see that, first of all, we are in the 4-hour premium zone, which I explained can be extremely bearish, but also we are in a very, very bearish OB. So if you look here, this is a beginning of an inefficiency that actually caused the dump below the lows, and that means that this is a very strong lever for us to reverse from, and that's what we saw, and we got a rejection from there. So why do I still mark that we have a little bit of upside? Is because we did not have a 50% retracement just yet on this leg. So I do believe that we will get a 50% retracement, right? We will get a 50% retracement all the way up to the 2.23-ish region, and from there see a continuation on the lower time frame, meaning the 5 and the 15 minutes. We will draw, most probably draw these lower lows and lower highs. And that's when the interesting part happens, because as I explained here in the thread, I said, I do believe that the 4-hour structure has not been broken to the upside. That means we are still in a downtrend. Current pump, yes, I talked about this. Since we have not closed below the daily strong low. Now, this is interesting because if you go into the daily chart, here's what you will see. You see that we do have a low and then we have a high. Okay, this is a market structure shift here. Then we have a low, then we have a high. And this low holds. Like this is the proper low. This low down here is our major low on the 4-hour and the daily chart. Until this breaks, we are extremely bullish. Okay, breaks and closes below. Weak doesn't matter. It's liquidity hunt. Doesn't matter. What matters is it has to break and close below. Until we see a close below, I do think that we are bullish. Okay, because we didn't close below there, I would still imagine that we'll see a small pullback on the lower time frame and very aggressive push to the upside. The only thing we got to look for is a market structure shift or or an MSS on the lower time frame after the pullback. Okay, so what I'm looking for is the following. I'm looking for a market structure shift on the 15-minute after we're done. Now, very important, guys. The market is unexpected. Anything can happen. We can start pumping and pump all the way up. This is why I do not recommend anybody shorting at these levels, because I do believe we are bullish. But as I promised you, I will give you transparency. And transparency comes with telling you that I'm probably going to take a short position. Where am I going to take a short position and how? If we do retrace to the 50%, which is currently at about 2.229-ish region, and we come up all the way, this is my first POI, and this is all the way up here is my second POI. So anywhere here, we can start a reversal. If we show a market structure shift on the total market cap from any of these regions, I am going to take a massive short position on Bitcoin. And the reason is because I do believe that we are going to retrace at least to the 50% on here from the pump of the bottom. That will put us to about 2.187 trillion. Okay, I hope this makes sense. But the basic idea here, I see a little bit of push to the upside, maybe a couple of percent. Oh man, not even 1%, but all the way up to like 2.25. I don't think the 2.25 will get broken. We have to see. So I don't know, maybe it will. We have to see, but I don't think that 2.25 will get broken. And I do think that after retest, if we show a low time from confirmation, we are going to target 2.185. And then the question really comes that I always get, do I think we can go lower? Well, here's the bad news. If you look on the weekly chart, so if you go and look here on the weekly chart, in 2021, we had this massive push up, massive. And at one point in 2021 May, we had a 60% correction, 60% correction, okay? That means that if we would have it, and where did that correction go? It went to the 50% mark. It went back to the discount on the weekly, okay? So a discount on the weekly would basically put us anywhere between 2.73 and 2.87. Anywhere between these regions. So this would be my target. If we cannot, so if we close below the 2.163 on the daily, as I've shown you previously, if we close below this level, close below on the 4-hour and see you in hell. That's exactly what it says here, and that's exactly what I mean. It says if we close below the 50% retrace on the 4-hour, see you in hell. Yeah, it's exactly, sorry. So close below on the 4-hour and see you in hell. So close below 2.168 and we're going down big time, in my honest opinion, down to the 1.8 trillion region, which would be devastating for crypto. Like, it would be, if you thought this was bloodbath, well, think again. It will be absolutely insane if we don't close above. So this is why I also tweeted a couple of days ago, actually 2 days ago, I tweeted that the risk reward here is just absolutely incredible for taking a long position, exactly because of this, because if we break below there, it doesn't really matter. Sorry, my OCD is telling me that I need to delete this. No, that's not the one I wanted to delete. Anyway, so I need to zoom in, but I need to go into the lower time frame. Laugh at me, bitches. Laugh at me. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking, guys. That's the possibility that I see. Someone block Lucas from the chat. No, I'm just joking. Oh yeah, okay, sorry, it didn't update. I thought you already said again. Send me $100. So so this is the basic idea in the total market cap. And the reason why I'm not even talking about all the other coins, we can look at BTC, but it's exactly the same thing. Like exactly the same thing, okay? It's like if you look at BTC, exact same thing. Proper level here. If we close below, which on Bitcoin happened, but it's not a problem because the total market cap is what really is relevant. If that happens, we have a retrace, we nuke. 66.5-ish would be the region where I think we could bounce and then simply just nuke from there. Although I don't think we're going to have like a 5% bounce if the total market cap is coming up a couple of percent. So anyway, 50 to 48 to 45,000. Anything in the play, all the way down to 38,000 is still bullish. So if you look at the weekly chart here, like 38,000 is still extremely bullish. So it wouldn't even be a surprise to see like a 50% correction down here to this 40,000 region. I don't think it's happening because of all the bullish news and macro and whatnot. But you as a trader has to be prepared, and that's how you prepare. Let me look at the chat. Let me look at the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Voodoo knowledge, that's what's up. You know it if you know it. We should do a swear jar and giveaway. Are you also in South Africa? I'm not in South Africa. Fefe, man, good to see you spreading truth. Nice. Your trading school should be called Fefe's Voodoo Trading School. It will be. Weekly super sticker or super chat. Why don't have? What do you mean? Oh yeah, because I have to update the AdSense. People can donate and we don't get ad revenue, by the way. Finally caught a live show. Thanks for noticing, cuz. Finally caught a live show. Great offer. Nice. Why total over total 2 or total 3? Seeing as alts are holding strong against BTC and ETH. Because you want, if the total market cap is going down, that means money flowing out of crypto. So you can, it doesn't matter what the bucket, within the bucket, what the division within the bucket is. If the total market cap is going down, that means the money is flowing out of crypto. Fefe, that for a pullback, you put the Fibonacci on the wrong leg. It's on one higher. Yes, Alex? Thank you. Thanks for noticing. Ready saying nice analysis, bro. Thank you, Rain. Alpha stuff right here. Vito, thank you. Very from Fefe. It's a secret. Can you find out? It's a secret. I think you can find it pretty easily, but alpha stuff right there. Yes, very for yes. Should we buy now? Bro. Sorry I'm late. No probs. Better late than sorry. Yes. What do you mean when you say you took a trade at 10x leverage? That means that I use leverage to take a position. So that means that you borrow money from an exchange to take money or to take trades. If you don't know what that is, please go onto the channel and search for videos, and I made a complete leverage tutorial. I know you from a long time ago in Denmark. Oh, the Aviator, really? How? The Aviator. Let me look at your picture here. The Aviator. The Aviator. No, bro. I just want you to explain that. Well, how do we know each other, Aviator? Tell me who you are. Will you consider advising on spot trading positions in addition to leverage advising on spot trading? Yeah, buy. Spot buy. Obviously, China. Fefe, please ask Bentofam to incentivize viewers to sub and engage with Tucker videos on YouTube to make it go viral. Bro, do you think we're not thinking about everything we can and doing everything we can? Of course we are. So we are working on it. Bear flag everywhere. One crow, one SRB. I don't know what that is. I love you, bro. You got person only 1% from all the... You good person only 1% of the way. Like you, like we, like Crypto Banta family. Like you, like we, like Crypto Banta family. I like it. It's a crime to miss Fefe and Sheldon streams on YouTube if you are a crypto enthusiast. It is an absolute crime to miss my show. I agree with you. Let me see. I have 100% of my portfolio in Sol. That's a stupid decision in my opinion. But, you know... I love Sol as well, but anything can happen. And if you have 100% of your money in one project, you can lose it. Aviator, decent cocktail that. Johnny Rodden. What? Yeah, but where did he reply? I know. Hold on. Let me see. Bartender. Which bartender, my friend? I loved bartending in Denmark, but I bartended in a lot of places. Give me more hints, Aviator. Give me more hints. And are you an aviator now? Are you a pilot? Aviator, decent cocktail that. When 10 gummy? I don't know. Croatian? No. But zdravo! How do you say? I know. No, not 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗢𝗙. I know that. How do you say cheers? Not na zdravie. No, that's different. Anyway, regarding the V-shape on the MSS, can we still enter a trade even if it's not impulsive? It must always be V-shape. You should see it V-shape. That's the strong indication that you can enter. That you can enter. So much bearish everywhere. What's going on? Piskasan, look back. Axman Scotland, smash the like button. Why? Because it's the best channel out there. That's what's up. Smash the like button. Why? Because it's the best channel out there. Hold up, kan du dansk. Hold up, kan du dansk. Jeg snakker litt dansk, men jeg forstår litt. Jeg var studeret i Danmark, så supergodt. Na zdravie, I'm telling you. Hola, or you should ask, what needed for $10 gummy? Yeah, what's needed for $10 gummy? Snoop Dogg. Skål! That's what's up. GFI Fefe, SA in the house. Lekker. I'm such an international guy. Denmark. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's look at... There's my drum roll. Do I have a drum roll? Why do I not have a drum roll? Where? Good. Let's go. Let's look at some of the trades that I'm in. I'm definitely in WIF. WIF has been so good to us. Still no 4-hour high. That's my only problem. But I got in here. 1.724. It's 22%. It's been 220% trade. Where am I right now? I actually closed most of it. Actually closed most of my trades. Actually, I told you. I'm at 162% still. So yeah. But that was a great trade. Same thing. I want to see a 4-hour high break. 4-hour high break. Did the aviator reply? I want to know who this guy is. Send me. How do we do we know each other like in person? Just send me a WhatsApp or send me something. I want to know. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢. Fefe from Hungary. That's truth. I am originally from Hungary. That's the truth. From North Korea, and the cousin is Kim Jong. That's what's up. This show is awesome. Gene, you're awesome. WIF is forming a lower high. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢. So that's the problem. Yes, that's the problem, guys. That as I said, we are forming a lot of lower lows on and lower highs. Pang, I met the founder, one of the founder in Portugal, Lisbon. Great project. It's not a fucking dog. It's not a fucking cat. It's a fucking penguin. LinkedIn will tell. That's what's up. I knew you guys could find it. I'm not even hiding it. Yeah, so our original, I'm there. Do you follow the European Cup? Yeah, I kind of do, but I haven't really seen much, to be honest. I don't have time to watch this. When this centralized gummy exchange platform to trade meme coins. We'll see. Okay, so guys, WIF. What else am I in? Let me see. INJ. INJ also super bearish. Look at this. Like it's literally just coming back for the 15. It's coming back all the way up here, maybe 24.8, 25-ish. Challenging. So it's not the best thing to long, to be honest. But it was good for a quick scalp. Definitely something, because I'm actually going, more and more I think about this, I have limit orders in, but I'm gonna remove all my limit orders. I really am going to remove them because I think it can really get ugly very quick. I do use LinkedIn. I'm not there, but I do have a LinkedIn account. I tried your method you exposed yesterday and made money 3x4 this morning on the 5-minute chart. That's what's up. Get going. Okay, so let me look at, and then you guys can just get your token requests in. I just wanted to look at Sol one more time. Wanted to see what does Sol do. I do believe Sol can reach 1,000. This is beautiful. I'm just telling you, like Sol, I'm not going to remove my limit order. Sol is absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking at 129. I have a limit order in here. I am going to leave my limit order in there. I do think that this is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. It has the 50% retrace. There is no reason for it to come back. Yes, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm saying Brett. Let's go, Brett. Better call Saul. Sorry about this. So it's called a weak market structure shift. That means it's not a V-shaped recovery. Someone asked about market structure shifts before. This is not a V-shaped recovery. I actually found such a good chair. I didn't tell you. Such a good chair. Such a great chair. It's like so good. Which one? You know, I actually talked to the guy, and the guy said, don't buy a gamer chair. And I'm like, why? It's because it's a pain in the ass to sit in them in a long time. And you know what? I actually checked this chair that he offered me. Such a relief. After this, it's like, I don't have my back hurting after 2 minutes and sitting on the chair. My cousin saying, this one's different. It's a different chair. Because it's mine. Okay, so Brett, we have higher high. I do think that we're coming back to 50, and then it's a great long. I'm not thinking it's not. You gotta wait for a market structure shift on a 15. But if you get the market structure shift on a 15, I think it's a great long. Definitely great long. Looking at about 1.147-ish region. From below there, if you see a market structure shift, you're good. Tia looking sexy. Onisim, I think this is the first time I see you here, so I'll give you a big clap clap. You know what? Clap. You know what they say clap to? Does that ring the bell for you? Does anybody know what clap stands for? Because I know it's very vulgar. It's like very, very not nice to say clap for a girl. Anyway, it might be just me. So this is a market structure shift. Someone is saying, what did he say? I forgot what he said. Tia is looking sexy. Let's look at Tia. Not bad, but not good either. Massive bleed out. Like, the problem is that we don't have a 4-hour market structure shift as well. It does look good. We have this daggery here. Yeah, so the same thing. If it would come down, you could consider this, but it doesn't close below, which is not a great sign in my opinion, not even on the 4-hour, 1 hour. So you could technically consider this for a long. When it comes back 50, probably down around the 6.4 region, but you need to wait. You need to wait for a 15-minute market structure shift. And even once you get that, you need to see a break above quite fast, because this is not a proper market structure shift. So it could really backfire very, very fast. A dose of clap. Fefe is the best. I can't read this up. Clap. Yeah, something similar, I think so. I don't even have a back support. Yeah, exactly. I don't have that either. Look at my chair. I'm going to show you. I never showed you my chair, actually. Look at this. I think it's literally like a $30 chair. Is it? How much does it cost? It's from IKEA. I have it like for the past, I don't even know, 3 years. And it's like, it's not good. Look at this. Can you hear this? It's like really bad. Anyway, this is my chair. So I need to. I walked in today and I said I'm not leaving without a chair. And the guy said, "All right, we have one for $3,000." And I'm like, "Fuck you!" And I'm just joking. But the guy was actually pretty nice. He said, "Here are the chairs, and they cost $2,500." A dose of the clap. Yes. Goldfinch, please. What is Goldfinch? What is Goldfinch? Goldfinch? Okay. Airwave. Let's go Airwave. I'm on fire today. So what does the vote say? Raise cost salary. You guys are crazy. You guys are absolutely crazy. Who stands at trades with $500 portfolio? Any yells at this mother for waffles? What does this mean, guys? What is happening? Okay. Let me put up a vote here. What? Clap, clap. I heard it's something like throwing a sausage down the hallway. I put up a vote, guys, if you want to vote. After the BTC pullback, it's valid to watch the 3-minute MSS for shorts. Oh, no. Wait for a 5-minute, at least a 5-minute. Wait for a 5-minute and look for total. Look for the total market cap. Airwave Barefact, we are looking at in a second. 100x club for the win. That's what's up. Because it's getting a raise. Cuz is getting a raise. Nah, I never said he will. Maybe the raise is that we're not going to deduct. That's what his raise is. Maybe you guys saved him now. And he's just going to go home, cry in a corner. He's like, okay, we gotta, how am I going to explain this? Okay, so. Nice one though. Like, this is not bad at all. I know that this is not a decent market structure shift. A couple of things. If you note this one here, very great reversal area, potential reversal area. Very, very nice PY. Very, very nice. From here, we had a massive pump. What was it? It's 100% pump from here, April 24th. So I think it's 24th. 2024, so this April. So this is a very great area for reversal. We do have a massive liquidation wick down here, which is also very good. We do have on the 1 hour, this is definitely a strong market structure shift. Yes, it's not a V-shaped recovery, but it's like, it's okay. We have a market structure shift here, and then we have a 50 retrace, which is great, and then now we have a close above. So technically, actually, this is literally right now not a bad long. Right now, it's not a bad long. But the only reason is I'm waiting for the total market cap to make a move. But I do think it has internal liquidity. That's the problem, that it does have internal liquidity and external liquidity. So I would wait a little more. Just so you know, if we don't close below here, this is the decision point, 25,120. Like, if we don't close below here, that's still valid. So this is actually a great trade. Like, we need to see a higher high. Look at how nicely it's building up liquidity. This is going to be a textbook trade, by the way, guys. This is going to be beautiful. Very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Did you talk to the Telegram guy today? Did you? Is it possible? Yes. Can we make it happen? Yes. How long does it take? So, guys, we are actually building something absolutely insane for you. It depends on the project. Okay. Oh, no, we can't wait. So we are building something absolutely insane. What we're doing is that we're going to have a Telegram group, and I will integrate through an API all the alerts that I add on my chart, and you will be able to get the notification in your Telegram group application. So it's not going to be like a signal service, but you're going to get an alert and you're going to get a chart with it. So you'll be able to see what chart I'm looking at and what the drawing on the chart is and what to look for when you get the alert in Telegram group. So it's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be people saying let FG dope is gonna be good. It's gonna be very good. So it's gonna be. It sounds insane. Yeah, it's gonna be very nice. Very nice. So we gotta get on this. His cousin is lazy again. No, he got it started today. He got it started today. Okay, we should get it done. Like, we should get it done this week. I think it's not that difficult. Yeah, but that's on hold. Like, we should get this done like now. Okay, so should we give this for free to the community? By the way, should be completely for free again. Everything is for free. People like if it's crazy. That's good. We give everything for free. It's actually pretty fucking crazy. It's so much value for free, guys. So much value. It's just insane. It's literally just. Love your shows from Nigeria. Nice. Fefe, I've forgotten our challenge, 500 to 10,000. I never forget anything, I just don't have time. But we can do it with the Telegram app, actually. Good idea, nice. Love that idea, great. I'm happy you guys like it. Let me go back to the charts. So AR actually is building up liquidity in here. What I do think will happen is that we're going to see a liquidation down here and then a market structure shift. Probably it will happen from here, but also we had liquidity here and let's just keep grinding down. So but you gotta look for a liquidation event like this. I'm gonna set an alert here, and I'm gonna keep you posted when that comes. But we have to wait for the total market cap. There is no other way. Good. Let's do one more. You're the good. Free is all good. Free is all good. The goat is saying free is all good, bruv. Don't you worry about it. Free is all good. All good. You know what? Let's do this. I actually haven't even been thinking about monetizing it, but let's do a poll. Let's see how much would you pay for a Telegram group Telegram. Like this. I actually want to filter. Be very honest. You can say $0. That's absolutely fine. Let's say a month. Monthly. Okay. $0. Then we go $15. It's just a Telegram group. Okay. We go $25. And then we go, let's say, $39. I really would like you to vote. We have 170 people watching now. Please vote. I genuinely want to know. I'm probably going to put one up on my Twitter as well. But I want to know, how much would you pay for it? People wouldn't pay. Someone says 60, 50% says they wouldn't pay for it. Let's get back to it. We have like 10 votes. I appreciate honesty. Like, it really, tell me honestly. If I said this service is available, everything I chart, you'll get access to the Telegram group. You will get notified when it happens. I will update you on the charts. How much would you pay for that? Okay. And then let's do one more. So I'm saying $20. Good job on the likes. Great. Yes. Free to $99. SNX. Let's look at SNX. My friend here is saying that I think this is the first time I see you. Joy King. Yeah, exactly. So this is actually great. This is actually great. We just need to see a market structure shift from here. Yeah, exactly. Same scenario. Exactly. Very well spotted. Very, very well spotted. Higher high, down, down. But it's coming down for this 50. That's what you have to see. It's not in the 50. The difference between this and AAR is that AAR is already in the 50% on the higher time frame. Is this raining? Oh, really? Nice. So AAR is already in the 50, you see? Okay. What else do we have here?
There's a guy who wants people.
Huh? People.
Yeah, he wrote it like 20 times.
Muhammad.
Yeah.
How bad is it? How bad is it in the mic? The rain. How bad is the rain, guys? Because it's raining. This is the first time we really get big rain in the studio where we are. Our new studio. Can you hear the rain? Joking was joking there. Made it. What did I miss? Christoph, nice having you here. An old microcoin is dead. Dent. Could you look at it? Dent. It was a dental coin for dentist. Absolutely useless crap. SNX was an easy algo. Nice. Amen donation on Telegram group. Yes. How about No. Make it an I'm poor. The market kicked my butt price. Yeah. Please mention my name. I'm following you for a long time. Big boy pants. Beep beep. Foxy, please. Not bad. No, not bad. Okay, good. We can hear it raining. Okay. Barely noticed after you said it. I only know rain. Great. Can you hear a little, I think? Okay, nope. Hardly can hear the rain. Okay, it's nice. We got 44 centimeters in 2 days in Canada. Crazy. You can barely hear it. Okay, great. Okay, great. So this is the same thing. People, let's look at people. Big ass liquidation. Big, very nice. Wait for the 50. Probably this is going to get wigged and probably this is going to hold. This is what I would imagine, depending on what the play will be. But around 8.9 cents to 8.5 cents, I think this should hold technically and could be great for people. I am looking for that. And then obviously it had a massive fall. So it's like, it's difficult to predict anything here. But you have a leeway all the way up to this 11 cents region. So can you look at Link? Link... Nice. Oh, this was wow. When did we get this entry? Did I take this trade? Holy shit! Who took this trade? This was on our show. I didn't chart this otherwise. Yeah, fudge. We didn't take this trade. Look at this. It comes back 50 beautifully. This is a fantastic trade. And I was expecting it to come back 50. It didn't, so it will come back now. 13-ish. I'm actually going to put an alert here because I think it's great. I think we're going to get an alert here. We gotta get a trade in here. Waiting for the 50 here as well. Private paid Discord would be better. I don't want to do a private paid Discord. I really don't. Honestly, I'll tell you why. I just don't want the responsibility. I don't want to be there all the time. I don't want to, like, when I chart on my chart and you get the notification and we discuss on Telegram, I update you on the charts. I think that's what do people want to do? Learn and make money. So we are going to have a Discord group, but that will come with a course, a full-on course. It is coming soon. I don't know when, but it is coming. The Telegram app could be just a first step. 97% of retail lose money last cycle. Now we are waiting for retail to come. Adoption. What if 90% of retail, including newbies, will only come back to buy the ETFs? I don't think that's happening. I think people are going to come back into crypto. ETFs are great for smart money and for institutions, but I don't think that's going to be the main avenue for people. How was day 0? It was 0. It was 0. Learn and make money and become smart and strong. We already have a Discord group. No, yes, I'm not active. I was participating. Rain is running a group. Yeah, I'm not in there. But we had that. We are going to have one where it's like maybe we upgrade that, or I don't know, but we are going to have one at some point. How does Cuz look like? He's a big part of your show and we never saw him. Or does my system crash when he appears? So here's the thing. He's 120 kilos, bold, 165 centimeter tall, chubby guy. No, he's actually a sexy boy. He's a fuck boy. Actually, he's We'll put up a camera here. We have it. You see, this is also, I told him, put up a camera. Did he put up the camera? No. I think a teleport free would be really helpful. Look, bruh, anything. I can make anything happen with my voodoo. Teleport, charts, Telegram, anything. Anything you want. Cousin is a mystery, yes. But rewards are still 2x, 4x compared to traditional investing. Could it be the retail will not come back in similar fashion as in previous cycles? The big winners will be ETFs. Yes, can be, bro. It can be. I don't think so. I think we are going to see a massive inflow of people. Time to create a course with Benter and the end of the Telegram paid channel. And at the end, yeah, maybe. Fefe is just kidding. He doesn't want to tell us, but his cause is in fact mother. You're not ready for me. I'm like a Greek god. Cousin the Apollo. You need to chill, bruv. What do you think about Cardano? I'm considering buying. No. Don't buy Cardano. Why? What? With the last of my money? What? No. Nitro Bunny. Are you ready? It's because really the thumbs down guy keep you on the toes. Yes. People are saying Hungarian words now. It's great. Cardano. Ha. Sheldon is shilling it. You know what I need? I need a cricket. I need a cricket sound.
Yeah, I already put it up.
Yeah. A month ago, right? A month ago. I love Cardano. We offer you a desk chair. Okay, guys. I think it's time for us to go. I do not hate ETH. I don't hate ETH. I don't hate it. I just think it has no relevance anymore. This is buy extra ham if you buy ADA. I know a lot of Hungarian guys from when I worked on the door. Nice. Foxy, please. What is Foxy? Is this like a meme? Evo, yes. Did you see what Kenya's Occupy problem yesterday? Real movie, not Czech. Let's see if we can find something. Our internet is not working here. What is happening? Just started my research on Mantra. Am I too late? I don't think so. Is that mofo still here? Key, who is here? Who is here? Okay, Guys, thank you so much for watching. We will miss the Kenyan Parliament thing. Appreciate you all so much. I truly do. I think this is kind of like a crazy show. I don't know why we're getting crazy here, but it seems like... Oh, by the way, let me go back here just to see. So people, 62% out of 100 votes says wouldn't pay. $15 for 24%. 25 for 11. 39 for 4. Okay, good. It's just a great thing to understand here and see. I don't know if we will charge for it. Probably will not charge for it at the beginning, at least. Guys, thank you so much for being here, for watching, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing, for commenting, for just literally just being here. I truly appreciate you. And leave your thoughts below right now. We'll put it up in the end screen. And just much love. Stay safe out there. Don't get fooled by the crazy people who will tell you to buy right now. Although on spot you should probably buy, but if you're waiting for a better trade, I think there is going to be a better trade here. And also the as I showed you, it's not over. It can still go a little bit lower. So guys, have fun. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a show on Banter, so gotta come to Banter. Have fun, stay safe, and I believe I will see you in the next one. Take care.